To use the convenient smart features on your LG Portable Air Conditioner connected to your smartphone, search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG Portable Air Conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG Portable Air Conditioner.
Congratulations on your purchase of a Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner unit. Your new air conditioner is a state-of-the-art freestanding unit suitable for placement in any room. This video is a quick start guide to get your unit cooling your room quickly and easily. Let's start with the easy setup of your unit. Your Honeywell Portable Air Conditioner rolls on smooth gliding casters for easy transportation to any room. When positioning your air conditioner, be sure to place it at least 20 inches away from a wall and away from curtains or drapes to allow for maximum efficiency. When using the unit as an air conditioner, an exhaust hose must be connected to your window in order to pass the warm air out of your room to the outside. To install the exhaust hose, adjust the window bracket to the width of your window using the included plastic pin to lock it to the proper width. Assemble the hose by screwing the window bracket adapter and the exhaust hose connector to the ends of the hose. Then, attach the window bracket panel adapter to the window bracket. The hose connector attaches to the unit by pushing into the large exhaust port on the back, then turning. Replace the window bracket in the window, closing the window to hold it in place. Make sure that there are no kinks or unnecessary bends in the hose, as that may block the warm air from leaving your room. That's it. Your Honeywell portable air conditioner can operate in 3 different modes: cooling mode, dehumidifying mode, and fan mode. In order to cool your room to the max, make sure that your exhaust hose is properly connected to your window. Then turn on the air conditioner. The power button is located on the right side of the control panel. Then make sure that cooling mode is activated by pressing the mode control button until the snowflake icon is lit up. You can set the desired room temperature using the up and down arrow keys. Then set the fan speed by pressing the fan button. If you want the air conditioner to start or stop at a certain time, use the timer controls. With the machine running, press the timer button to set the number of hours until you want it to turn off. With the machine in standby mode, press the timer button to select the number of hours until you want it to turn on. Sit back and relax while the unit cools your room. After using your air conditioner in this mode, especially in a humid environment, water may collect in a tank inside. When the tank becomes full, the power button will flash and the unit will not operate. To drain the condensation tank in cooling mode, unplug the unit and place a shallow pan, such as a baking pan, under the lower drain plug. Remove the lower drain plug and allow the water to drain out into the pan. Once the water is drained, replace the drain plug firmly, remove the pan, and turn on the unit. Don't forget, clean your air filter every 2 weeks. If you'd like to remove excess humidity from your room without running the cooling function, the Honeywell portable air conditioner can be used in dehumidifying mode. Remove the drain plug next to the exhaust fan, then connect a standard garden hose. Drain the water into a bucket and turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the right side of the control panel. Then, make sure that dehumidifying mode is activated by pressing the mode control button until the water drop icon is lit up. Set the fan speed by pressing the fan button. Your unit is now set up to remove the humidity from your room. And don't forget, clean your air filter every 2 weeks. Your Honeywell portable air conditioner can be used in fan mode to circulate air without additional cooling. To operate in this mode, you do not need to hook up the exhaust hose. Opening a window may improve air circulation. Turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the right side of the control panel. Then, press the mode control button until the fan icon is highlighted. In fan mode, you can adjust the fan speed by pressing the fan speed control button. If your appliance will be stored for a long period of time, make sure to drain any condensation in the tank. Follow the directions in the cooling or dehumidifying portions of this video for the proper procedures for draining the tank. Once the tank has been drained, dry any excess moisture from the unit by running it in fan mode for 30 minutes. Make sure you clean and reinstall the air filter and disconnect the air hose and window bracket if in use. Store the air hose and window bracket with your portable air conditioner so that they are ready to install quickly next season. If you have any additional questions, your owner's manual has troubleshooting and maintenance guides. Thank you for your purchase of a Honeywell portable air conditioner.
YPL3-10C 10,000-BTU. 3-in-1 portable air conditioner fan and dehumidifier with remote. Extended adjustable window kit the length of your window. Trim the window bracket to fit your window snugly. Your specific model may come with screws to keep the window kit in place. Enjoy portable cooling with this 10,000 BTU. Portable air conditioner featuring a dehumidifier that removes 46.5 pints of moisture per day. Next, connect the vent hose to the window kit. With your model properly installed and vented, you can start cooling immediately. Just plug it in and program your settings. Digital Controls offers precise temperature settings, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. A 24-hour on-off timer lets you preset a cooling schedule to save electricity. The 10,000 BTU's cooling power keeps a room up to 300 square feet cool and comfortable, and partially cools an area up to 400 square feet. The 2-speed fan and 4-way air direction help spread cool air evenly throughout your space. Washable and reusable air filter saves money on replacements.